Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. God, that feels good. We are here on Diwali Day. So happy Diwali everyone. Incredible. This is Saturday. Look at the turnout Nottingham has had for the Bombay Sweet Centre. Now, come and have a quick look. Come with me. Come. Have a look in there. This is like a little stunning little deli where they've got bits and pieces going on, little sweet bits, curries. Back it up. How good is it in there? Incredible. The queue is about 40 minutes to an hour long. Nottingham has turned out. Incredible. Now, obviously, I've got myself a nice little takeaway snack. Now, I've got no chance to remember this. Can I have your phone? I've got your phone. So if you're watching this video, please give it a share. Spread the light, spread the love. And generally, share the goodwill of this incredible food. Now, I've got, which one is it, Jess? That Aloo Tiki Chaat. So in here, we have spicy potato and spinach cutlets served with curry chickpeas, Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of tamarind and chili chutney. And they've got all sorts of other stuff on the go. They give you your phone back.
I think you said there was 3 different types of chutney.
It looks an absolute
Smells incredible.
Party of flavours. No meat, obviously. This is a holy day. We pay respects to that. And look what we've got in here. I don't think I've ever had anything like this. Have you, Jess? Like,
no.
Wow, let's just dive in, shall we? I don't know what I'm eating here, really. I think it's some kind of chickpeas in like flavours and crunch. Here we go. Amazing. Okay, wow. Here's the back of my neck stand up. That is an absolute party sensation of flavours. Also, textures. Wow. Come and have a look in why. Let me just see why. Yeah, that's why. I've got these like crisp pieces in with some chickpeas, all marinated in like fresh, really like zesty like sauces, spices.
I think you've got it.
All right, well, these go there. Hold on, we'll come to them. What I've had so far around the outside, what is that? Like a little crispy, like kind of fried flatbreads that are like
Probably like paste, like a bit of pastry maybe.
you know, it's like warm, it's fresh. Like that curry flavour to it with the warmth. It's like fresh and fruity. How much is this, just £5?
Yeah. $5.50.
Absolutely. Chickpeas as well. Stunning. Special stuff. I'm going to highlight this today. I don't really know the point. Across the road, go on, have a look. Got these absolute nutters over here. Kind of doing like a counter protest to Diwali. They've got they're like that Baptist church in America. They've got like Jesus loves you signs and stuff.
Oh look, there it is.
There you go, look. Yeah, hey! There we go. Shake your hand if you lost your marbles. Hey! No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Are they doing like a counter protest to Diwali? I'm not really. Yeah, he's preaching about Jesus. Look.
Oh no.
Across the road. It's all nuts, isn't it? It's all gone a little bit Pete Tong. So they're doing like a counter protest to all the people queuing up at. I don't know if it's a counter. Is it a counter protest? Is it?
I don't know. It might be a coincidence.
It's really shouting now. I think he needs to find. I think he may need to find Jesus himself. So let's dive into the actual like the.
Oh.
Wow! Look, just. That. We've got some mint yogurt there. Like, I'm telling you now, people. This is absolutely outrageous. Now,
That bit looks good.
is this my spinach and Shall we revert back to menu? Can I have your phone, please, Jessica? What an amazing turnout from Nottingham, though. Joel, if you live in Nottingham, give the video a share. And if you watch on YouTube's, please hit the like and subscribe button. We are back out on the road, masked up and safe, doing our work.
Do you want me to read it?
Yeah, what is it?
Spicy potato and spinach cutlets. Served.
How is that, bro?
Is the main man himself. Really good.
Really?
This is a big seller.
Massive.
Is it?
We do 4 different versions. We do a samosa one. We do an aloo tikka one. We do a papri chaat, which is a chickpea and potato one. And we do spinach and kale pakoras.
What is that?
This
What
is
are
like
they?
homemade chili and lemon crisps.
Chili.
Chili and lemon crisps.
Do you know what? I couldn't even describe them. I didn't know what they were.
Yeah.
Chili and lemon crisp. That's that fruit. I described it, kind of.
Zesty, didn't you?
I mean, it's got like a zesty, crunchy textures like overload.
Yeah. Cheers, my man.
I'm about to dive into your cutlet.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
So here's a cutlet. There you go. I told you, didn't I? With the chickpeas though, it's got this like crunch texture. The chickpeas are sensational. I've got curry. I've got minty freshness of the. On top, we've got the fresh parsley. We've got these like little texture crunch pieces on top here as well. Just like, this is what food is all about. Right, let's get in here. That's legit. Look, I am a meat eater. This is a holy day, so they're not serving any meat. Products like that. How do I put this? Products like that pave the way to show people you don't always need to get a load of meat in your face. This spinach, spicy spinach. Now that, oh yeah, the heat's coming through now. Ooh, spicy spinach potato. It has that body, that meatiness to the dish. Do you know what? Let's have it all together. Wow. Chickpeas, lime crisp.
Is it hot?
Yeah, warm.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Out crisp. Get it, Mum.
Who?
The wife.
Who's waving?
There you go. Please.
Where are they
Oh,
waving?
Bill.
Were they waving?
He was waving. Do you know what? I'm actually blown away by this. Now I've got a real warmth in my mouth. That is pretty spicy. But at the same time, it's fresh and it's delicious. I've got that heat. I've got some creamy mint on here. That yogurt. Guys. Happy bloody Diwali. A celebration over light against darkness. Do you know what? How poignant is that for this dish I'm eating now in Nottingham city centre at Bombay Sweet Centre. A fantastic little shop that does little sweet items, I know, but they also do some banging homemade dishes like this.
You really eat it?
Although, I'm excited to get back on chopping and camera. We've had a really, really busy 3 or 4 weeks, and we had to take a bit of time out of the game. But let me tell you this now. We are back. Isn't that right? Exactly. Right, I want to wrap this up and give it a score because my mouth is kind of on fire and I didn't get...
Oh.
Hang on. You want that drink? Sorry. I left it on the side. Man, it's been out of the game too long. I think this could be I'm going to start... Thank you. What is this?
Limca. It's like a lime Indian drink all the way.
Is it actually?
From India. Yeah. It's
Here we go.
From India.
Are you ready for drink watch?
Yeah.
Limca. This is a genuine... I thought he was nodding at me if he wasn't. A genuine Indian drink. That is what we want people to be serving in their takeaways. wacky stuff. Not wacky. I'm sure Indians like it. I'm sure British people like it as well. English, whatever race you are. Do you know what? That's the thing about what. I'm sure Indians like it. That's why they sell it in India. But look, maybe we can get it over here. Limca, this is your gateway. I need to stop talking. It's like a different version of 7-Up. Kind of a bit cleaner. Delicious. Hasn't got that real heaviness that 7-Up has in the sugar content. It's got 132 calories in here. Is it got the sugar? Probably. Limca, Bombay Sweet Centre, Nottingham, Diwali, happy chuffing days. Let's close on these bubble bashes over here. They are going off. They are really popping off now. She starts around with the sign saying life with Jesus is worth it. You know what? Whatever race, religion you are, just enjoy life and be happy. Eat good food, love the people around you. Enough said. Now I want to give this a score today of... It's giving me a big fat 9 out of 10. I absolutely loved it. Nottingham, you know what to do. Give this video a share, get in the comments. Give me some abuse if you haven't got anything else to say. And from me and Limca, my lovely wife Jess behind the camera. Yes!
No, don't encourage them.
Here we go, look. You've got to rev up the lunatics, haven't you? Surprise, bonus footage. This is a deli, as I said earlier. They do a lot of wicked stuff, and I've had to try some of the sweet stuff on camera as well. Have a look at these samosas. Oh my God. I've just been handed these by my main man in their role. So I'm assuming these are the different sweet samosa options down there.
Yeah, you got s'mores and apple pie, I think.
She's really going for it now, by the way. Get her on. She's a passionate old girl. Go on. Let's give her some airtime.
No.
At least she's got passion, do you know what I mean? Right. Let's dive in. Like, I'm not being funny. Samosas in my day never looked like this. That is like, it looks stunning. I love samosas. Here we go. What is inside it? Who knows?
It's a s'more, baby.
It's food. It's cooked with so much love. What is in a s'more?
It's like marshmallow, cracker, chocolate.
Oh my God, look at all the goodness in there. I've got delicate little pieces of like syrup, chocolate, samosa, deep fried. Get this good one quickly. Get them on there. Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
You gonna try the other one?
I'm gonna boss that whole one on camera. Right. That one must be the apple pie. Look at the size of that. I've had smaller jacket potatoes than that. That must be the apple pie. Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Look at it. The samosa game has moved on. It's now raining, by the way. That is. Look at that. That isn't no Mickey Mouse apple sauce filling on the inside of that. That is a homemade. That's one of the best. Thanks for that.
It's all going on, isn't it?
It's all going on in Nottingham today. Nottingham is going off. It's Diwali. It should be a love in the air. That is one of the best desserts I've ever had. That gave me the same feeling when I bit into it as what you'd get from your nan's apple crumble. You know, that hearty, warm. It is delicious. You got that caramelisation underneath as well, look. You know, look. That fruit sugar. That apple pie samosa on its own would be a 10 out of 10. Straight up. Official score as well. Official score. Nearly the best thing I've ever had. That has the star quality that we're looking for on this page. Do you know what? I've been blown away by this place. Bombay Sweet Centre. Breathtaking. Nottingham, happy Diwali. This is the official sign out. That was a review.